Hi everyone! Welcome to our deep dive into the evolution of audio technology. I'm Detlef Wiese, and today we're exploring the revolutionary years from 1988 to 2000, when digital audio changed forever. Think back to the late 80s, early 90s. The compact disc CD was the king, but the files were huge. A single song needed about 50 megabytes. Then something remarkable happened. End of the 80s, quite a few brilliant scientists were working on perceptual coding. Brandenburg, Tyler, Grill, Gerhäuser, Johnston, Krahe, Stoll, Link, and many others. I'd like to emphasize Detlef Krahe, who did groundbreaking work at the University of Duisburg, but never became too much of attention. Myself, I joined the IRT in '87 and was part of Tyler's and Stoll's team. In 1992, the results were introduced in MPEG-1 Layer 2 or MP2. You remember the sound at the end of the last post? This is actually the noise underneath the audio signal, the masked noise. Our auditory system cannot perceive this, although the noise is part of what we are listening to. Key figures of research often made jokes about how their first real-time encoder was so expensive that they had to guard it like a treasure when traveling to other places for demonstrations. Can very well remember carrying $15 to $20K piece of equipment through airports. Yes, we did. Broadcasting would never be the same. For the first time, we could transmit high-quality digital audio with just 256 kilobits per second. So, European radio stations quickly adopted this technology for digital broadcasting. But the real game changer was MP3. When it arrived, it was revolutionary. Suddenly, we could compress audio to 1/10 of its original size while maintaining remarkable quality. The team at Fraunhofer, led by Karl-Heinz Brandenburg, had achieved what many thought impossible. Here's a funny story. When Brandenburg and his team made tests and first demonstrations with MP3 compression to colleagues, they used Susan Vega's song Tom's Diner. Why? Because her a cappella voice was particularly challenging to the compression and was really a difficult signal. The song became known as the mother of MP3. And Susan Vega herself, she just learned that, years later. Here's a fascinating detail. The first real-time MP3 encoder wasn't cheap. It required specialized signal processing, specialized hardware for $15K and more. Today, that same processing power sits on a little tiny chip worth much less than $5. By 1997, we saw another leap forward with advanced audio coding, or AAC. It offered even better sound quality at lower bit rates, setting new standards for digital audio compression. All these innovations laid the foundation for the today's streaming revolution, from MP2 to MP3 to AAC. Each step transformed how we create, distribute, and enjoy music. In our next video, we'll explore how these technologies evolved into the streaming era. Don't forget to check out the detailed blog post linked below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.